Hello friend, in this video I am going to discuss about difference between Java and Kotlin. Okay, so while you are making Android application on Java and Kotlin, so what are the difference and major difference? I'll show you live. Okay, so first difference is Kotlin is concise compared to Java. Concise means while you are writing a code in a Java, you have to write more code. But while you are writing same code in Kotlin, then you need to write very less. So let me give one example here. I am going to create here one interface in Java and the name is click events. Okay, inside I am going to create one method. The method just print. Okay, semicolon. Okay, now if I want to call this click event interface to my main activity, for that I need to do write implements click events. Then I need to implement this method, print method. Okay, so what here we have used implement keyword. Same thing we are going to do in Kotlin. Let's see, this is a Kotlin demo, this is Java demo. So I am going to do in Kotlin again. Here also I am going to create one interface. Name will be same. Okay, inside also I am going to create one method. Okay, and here in Kotlin no need to write the implement key, just one comma and click event. You can see we have saved numbers of character here, right? Now we can implement this method. Okay, and second thing is Kotlin is null safety compared to Java. So how can you say that Kotlin is null safety? Let me show example. So I am going to write a code in Java. Okay, so first I am going to calling this side text view and text is equal to find byid dot id dot text semicolon. Now here I am going to setting this text. Before that I want to take one variable that is a string str is equal to null semicolon. Okay, now I want to set this null to be mtext dot set text str dot length. So what will be going to be happen here? It will get crash. Null pointer exception will get here. Let me run this. Okay, see, we got null pointer exception here. Null pointer exception. Okay, if I am going to write same thing in same thing in Kotlin, then it will not going to be crash. Okay, same thing I'll write in Kotlin. So like this data coming from your API, and while you are setting your data from API, if you get null, it will get crash, okay, in Java. But when we are writing same thing in a Kotlin, then first I am going to create same variable string str is equal to str string is equal to null. So it won't take null. So for that I need to make it nullable. So I need to put question mark. So it has taken null. Now I wanted to well text view text is equal to well text view is equal to find view id text view r.rd dot text view. Okay, and in Kotlin no need to use any semicolon now. So here I am just text view dot text is equal to str dot length dot twisting. So here is giving me error, so only safe. Okay, so I need to make it question mark, and let me run this code. See, here it printed null, but it's not got crash. But if I'll same thing, so in Java, this is Java demo, it will get crash. See, Java 1 getting crash. Okay, Kotlin 1 not getting crash. So this is the difference. Okay, another is Kotlin is interoperable. Interoperable means whatever you are writing code in a Java, you can write you can convert that code into Kotlin, but you cannot convert Kotlin code into Java. So let me give example. Here is one intent, so I need to copy this, and I am directly that the code was in Java. You can see it is written in Java intent. Okay, and I am going to paste same code in a Kotlin. Make sure your syntax should be not any issue, like semicolon, everything should be correct only. Then it will ask you one it will show one pop-up. In that it will ask, do you want to convert to Kotlin? If I'll press yes, then by default it will convert same code into Kotlin. So you can see that this code has been converted into Kotlin. If I'll copy this code, Kotlin code, and I'll paste into a Java, it won't ask to convert the it will directly added, but it won't work here because this is written in a Kotlin. See, intent is not getting here. First of all, val is not getting. So these are the difference. And another is like here, if I am writing a string, I need to put string casting. Okay, suppose I want to take one integer, so for that int a is equal to 100. So for that I need to first assign integer, then its understanding is integer. But if I am going to write same thing in a Kotlin, so here val a is equal to 100. It's already understood this is the integer type. If I write val s is equal to string, so it understood is a string. But for the, in Java I need to first I need to write its type of string, then I can assign the value, right? If I'll make it int, then this will create a problem for me. See, so these are the major difference in Kotlin versus Java. I hope you like this video. Please share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.